Hello everyone and welcome back to Cleanastic. In this video I'm going to show you how to wash clothes without a washing machine. So you might don't even just have a washing machine, or your washing machine is broke, or you're on vacation and you just have no way to wash your clothes. So this is simple and easy, and you only need actually 3 things to wash your clothes with. The first thing you got to do is you got to separate your clothes, make a load with white clothes and a load with color clothes. Even though you're washing these clothes on a way lower temperature than you would do in your washing machine, you should still separate it that the color doesn't go off the clothes. Yeah, so then you need a large bucket or a bowl or a baby tub or anything that can hold water and is big enough to wash your clothes. And if you have a lot of clothes, you should maybe make 2 loads or 3 loads of clothes. I took a little bit of my daughter's stuff. You know, she's eating now, so all her clothes get dirty super quick. They got stains everywhere, and I just want to get these stains out by hand and see if it actually works, washing clothes by hand. So what you're going to need first is a spray that you can spray on your products for stains. This is a German spray, and you just got to spray it on your stains before you wash. So the first thing you do, you get your clothes and you put it in your bucket or your bathtub or whatever you have. It should be clean, and you just put it there, and you're going to use your spray, and you're going to spray all the stains and just let it sit for at least 5 minutes. And you're just going to do this with every single piece. Make sure to spread the clothes out that they have enough space in here. Okay, next. Oh, and what I forgot to say is don't use anything that is wool or cashmere. For wool or cashmere, you gotta have a totally different method of washing clothes. So you should definitely not do what I'm showing you right now with wool or cashmere stuff. You might have to spray the stuff from the inside too. I don't really know what this is here. There's no poo stain, there's some food, but yeah. Some stains you maybe have to spray from both sides. It can be anything. It could be mustard, it could be ink, it could be grass stains. Just put the spray on all the stains you have on your clothes. If you don't have no spray, no stains, you just want to wash your clothes, then you don't need to spray. Then you can directly go into the next step. So now we're going to let everything sit for a minimum 5 minutes. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to fill up your tub with lukewarm or room temperature water. Do not use hot water because you don't know how your clothes are going to take it. This is not a washing machine. It don't need no hot water. Lukewarm water will get the job done. If you don't know if your clothes can take hot water or warm water, then use cold water. This will also work. Just make sure it just covers it. It don't need to be a lot. It shouldn't be a lot. It should just cover your clothes. So, and now you need some washing powder or washing liquid. It really doesn't matter. And you can use a measuring cup. It depends on how much clothes you have in there. I'm just going to use a little bit of powder, and you're going to stir it around a bit. And then we are just going to let it sit in this water here for a minimum of 20 minutes. So you can leave the room, you can do something else instead, or you can prepare another load of clothes, the color clothes, if you want to, in another bucket while you are waiting for this to be done. So just stir it around, make sure the washing liquid or washing powder is everywhere in the water, in your bucket, in your tub. Make sure your clothes are all covered with water, and we're gonna wait and let it sit for 20 minutes. Okay, so I waited for about 30 minutes and I came back and I already see that some stains got way better than it was before. And what we do now is we're gonna rub all our clothes. We just take them and rub them together and try to get the rest of the stains out as good as we can. Try not to like take it and stretch it, because it can actually deform your clothes. And yeah, just try to rub all the stains out. So this is already looking super good. That was the one with that big brown stain. There's only a little bit left. You can just take these, rub it against the walls like this. You can squeeze it. And just do this until your clothes are clean. Okay, when you're done, you are going to get this water out of your tub, and then you are going to just rinse it with cold water, and you're going to repeat this until there's no more soap left in your clothes. Okay, so once this is done, you're going to take your pieces and you have to try to wring it out as good as you can. So just wring it out with all your power you have. Make sure all the water gets out. Fold it up in a different way that you can really get most of the water out. There are also some special tools you can use that do this if you don't have enough power in your hands. You might want to get a man doing this job. So this is actually perfectly clean. I don't see no stains on this no more. And now you're just going to hang it up as you would do your normal clothes if you would have washed it in the washing machine. Okay, and that is it. And now I'm going to hang it up over a normal clothes hanger, and yeah, I'm going to wait until it's dry. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that you're able to wash your clothes. This way I'm kind of out of breath from bringing these out. Yeah, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comment section if it worked. Let us know if you want any other videos. We do all types of cleaning videos. Just tell us what you would like to see, and we're gonna try to make it possible. See you in the next video.